Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. First thing that you should do is to simply go and open youtubetv.com. Then you want to scroll down till you find here this option, YouTube TV base plan plus the NFL Sunday ticket. So it is not actually separately available without the base plan. So you'll have to click on sign up now. Then you'll have to choose one of your emails, then click on preview for 20 minutes or start free trial. So I'm gonna hit the start free trial. Then now you can simply go and add the base plan, and after you add the base plan you can simply add NFL Sunday ticket to your base plan. But here my case it is already available, so simply hit the next, and here you have the NFL Sunday ticket. I'm gonna click on the add button, and now you can choose between if you want to add it month to month or season pass. So I will go for anyone. And now here it is added to my own cart. Simply click on checkout. Then you will have to provide your payment information and confirm your payment. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.